Here we go then, on a bit of Dino Dash.
Oh, Dino Dash, alright.
There you go. Look at these animatronics. Oh, they're spraying us.
Wetting us.
Did you get wet?
Not really. I got a tiny spot.
Oh, look at these big dinosaurs down there. Here we go.
See them.
I don't know what this thing is in front of us. But here we go. Hey! Woo! That's got some speed.
Yeah.
Get away from those dinos. No wonder why it's called Dino Dash. Oh! I think that scared you, didn't it?
That actually made me jump. Yeah.
Here we go. Here they are.
Get wet again.
Oh! Hey!
Oh, got a bit wet at that time.
Here we go. Again with it being a junior coaster, it's a second lap.
Oh, awful.
But yeah, I don't know what this thing is in front of us. I think you probably have. Not even. I don't think it's used anymore, to be honest. Yeah. Here we go! Hey! Did it get you that time, or was you expecting it?
Almost.